Hi, guys. I'm so excited you joined me today. Today, we're going to be taking a look at some word problems. Some of you guys might think word problems are hard, but today I'm going to show you how we can easily break down word problems and go through the key ideas, draw a model for them, and then solve the problem. Go ahead and get started. All right, so our first problem here is about Michelle. Michelle has 20 red beads and 15 blue beads. How many beads does she have altogether? I'm going to go ahead and take it one piece at a time. Michelle has 20 red beads. And she has 15 blue beads. The question is asking me, how many does she have altogether? Which means I need to find a total. When I see the word altogether, I think total. So I'm going to come over to the SPAR model and I'm going to write 20 right here for my red beads and 15 right here for my blue beads. I wonder how I get the total. Well, my total has to be the same as the 20 and the 15. Oh, so how do we find the total? Well, my total has to be the same as the 20 and the 15. So how do I find the total? I can add. Yes, that's right. So I can add 20 and 15 and I get a total of 35. How do I do that? Well, I know the 2 and the 1 are in the tens place. So it makes a total of 3 tens. And I know the 0 and the 5 are in the ones place, and that makes 5. So 3 tens and 5 is 35. That's my total. I know that she has 35 beads altogether. Oh, well, let's try another one. So here we have a new problem. Ford and Jesse have 25 toy cars. Is that just Ford? Or is that just Jesse? Or is it both? Well, if you said both, that is correct. It's Ford and Jesse. They have 25 total. So if we come over here to the bar model, let's put 25 where the total is. Now, Ford has 7 cars. So I'll go ahead and put 7 in the first box. That's how much Ford has. I wonder how much Jesse has. Well, I need a number so that 7 and whatever is missing is still going to add up to 25. How do I figure that out? 7 and something missing makes 25. That's adding. If I want to find out what's missing, I can use subtracting. 25 minus 7 is going to be my answer. All right, I have 25 minus 7, but I only have 5 individual tiles. Where am I going to get some more? Well, if I take 2 away from the 10, that leaves me with 7. And I can take away the 7, and now I have 18 left here. So the answer is 18. All right, so we know the answer over here is 18. So we know that Jesse has 18 toy cars. Let's go ahead and write a sentence. All right, we know that Jesse has 18 toy cars. Ready for the next one? In this problem, we find out Miss Taylor has books in her library. Miss Taylor has 52 fiction books and 86 nonfiction books in her library. Oh, that's a lot of information. Let's go ahead and list it down below. In this problem, we're looking at Miss Taylor's library. She has 52 fiction books, 86 nonfiction books in her library. How many more nonfiction books than fiction books does she have? Oh my, that's so much information. Let's just start at the beginning. She has 52 fiction books. Okay, let's write 52 where it says fiction. And she has 86 nonfiction books. All right, that's 86. So far, so good. How many more nonfiction books than fiction books does she have? Oh my goodness, more? How do I figure that out? I can use subtraction. So 86 minus 52. Okay. 6 minus 2 is 4. 8 minus 5 is 3. Ah, the answer is 34. I wonder if there's a different way to do it. What if I thought about the 8 like it was 8 tens and the 5 like it was 5 tens? Then 8 tenths minus 5 tenths is 3 tenths, 30. And 6 minus 2 is 4, also 34. Just another way to do it. All right, so we can put that 34 somewhere. Where do we put it when it's a difference? Well, 86 is longer by 34, so we'll put the 34 right here to show difference. Okay, let's write our sentence. Ms. Taylor has 34 more nonfiction books than fiction books. Okay, you guys ready for our last problem of today? Let's check it out. Our last problem here is talking about washing and drying clothes. Do you guys have a day when you wash and dry clothes at home? I do. I like to wash and dry clothes on Sundays because it's at the end of my week. All right, let's find out what's going on here. It takes 45 minutes to dry the clothes, and it takes 67 minutes to wash the clothes. Find out how much longer it takes to wash the clothes than to dry the clothes. It takes 45 minutes to dry the clothes, and it takes 67 minutes to wash the clothes. 45 minutes to dry the clothes, and 67 minutes to wash the clothes. All right, 45 for drying and 67 for washing. And the box for washing is longer than the box for drying. Find out how much longer it takes to wash the clothes than to dry the clothes. Well, washing is definitely longer. By how much? Oh, well, if this is 45, we didn't talk about before, so we can actually mark this off, and that part also is 45. So it's going to be a subtraction problem because I just want to find out what's left right here. So 67 minus 45, 7 minus 5 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, that's 22. All right, we have our answer. It takes 22 minutes longer to wash the clothes than to dry the clothes. Now, I know you might be thinking, can I just put 22? Well, if I just put 22, do we know if it's minutes or seconds, hours or days? Can you imagine it taking 22 days to wash clothes? That would be so crazy. That would take so long. So make sure you put in the minutes when you're writing your sentence. It takes 22 minutes longer to wash the clothes than to dry them. All right. Do you have your sentence down on your paper? Well, I hope you enjoyed the problems that we did today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can get more videos like this. Take care.